Hello everybody, today we're gonna build the T34 85 by HobbyBoss. What I've done here is use masking tape to mark down the sprues so that I won't have a hard time finding them. I use sharp side cutters to cut out the parts. I also use my hobby knife to trim off the excess nut marks. And some sandpaper too. I use regular cement glue and extra thin glue on certain parts. With cement glue I use it on larger surfaces and thin cement glue on hard to reach parts and just regular small parts. As you can see, this piece right here has some molding issues. I use a hobby knife to try to get it off, but I use a chisel piece and some sandpaper too. It has lots of molding issues and I'm not sure whether it's from my kit or it has to do with HobbyBoss, but it took a lot to clean up them flash marks. I found that you have to trim off this part and it is a molding issue. Overall, this kit is actually quite fun to build, but it's just that there's lots of molding issues that you need to clean off, like this part right here. And this took a while for me to get it in place. I think it's me with my big fat fingers, but I had to use tweezers. And I use a hobby knife to precisely put it in place. I think these should be the oxygen tanks and they fit on pretty easily. And as you can see, the knife got its first victim. But I'm alright. And I was having lots of trouble with these small parts. Try to use them with the tweezers and they just keep falling out, but I eventually got it in place. And look, I used blue tack to put this on just to hold it in place and kind of messed it up a little. There's lots of tiny driving pieces and there's like lots of small fiddly parts that are quite easy to break, but I managed to not break any of them. For a 1/48 scale kit, it has lots of details, but I'm gonna leave the interior unpainted because I'm lazy and it won't be shown anyways. You're probably asking me then, why am I building the interior? Well, I haven't been building for so long, so why not just build it for fun, you know? As you can see, the instructions didn't clarify what parts these are, but I found them out soon, so it's pretty easy to spot them. And as you can see, I'm building the tiny chair. No, the camera angle is just temporary and I'm testing things out. So if you like it, make sure to tell me in the comments below. I had to poke a hole in that box area because it didn't mold the hole down. I then began to assemble the axle pieces, and it should be complete like that. Now, this is the engine build, though I could say that I wasted lots of time building it, but hey, it was fun building it, and it's pretty cool. I find it very amazing that a detail so small that could be molded out. Thank you for watching my build video on the T34, and this is the part 1 of my build series. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you folks next time.